29 forecast.
You are looking live at a sun-splashed Central Virginia as viewed by our Carter Mountain weather camera. Just a few fair weather clouds up in our sky today, but temperatures are more seasonable here at the end of March. All right. Good afternoon to you. I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. The next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center will be colder temperatures overnight and first thing tomorrow morning. Cold enough for some patchy frost on a more widespread scale tomorrow morning. We had some frost this morning for the Shenandoah Valley. It's more widespread as we go into daybreak on Thursday. So protect those tender plants and flowers. If you have them in your landscape, cover them up with a sheet or some newspaper, or if they're potted, just simply bring them on in. Typically by Mother's Day, we are safe from frost around our area, and we are going to have a couple of frost threats perhaps see again on Friday morning. Right now, your midday readings are in the upper 40s to the mid 50s, more seasonable for this time of the year and right on schedule. That light rain moved on out of the picture after midnight, and it wasn't much rain at all, barely enough to dampen the ground. That means under a 1/10 of an inch for most of you. Dry scans will continue until the end of Friday. I guarantee it. That's our live Doppler radar network. I am watching a cold front to the north and west over the western Great Lakes into sections of the Midwest and into the eastern Great Lakes. This will produce some snow squalls to the north into northern West Virginia, western Maryland, Pennsylvania, and upstate New York as we go into tonight, but it will come through here on the dry side. Now, all eyes are focused now on a powerhouse of a storm now moving back into areas of California. This will produce heavy mountain snow and valley rainfall, more flooding. But more importantly, as it moves into the Central Plains states and the mid-Mississippi Valley later Friday and Friday night, another more widespread risk for severe weather is going to happen. There's going to be a widespread swath of severe weather with tornadoes Friday afternoon, Friday night, well to our west though. But from areas of Illinois down into Mississippi where they were hard hit a week ago Friday, it looks like, again, another chance for some active weather out that way. So let's see how it will impact our weather going forward. So there goes that front to the north tonight. It'll come through here with a little fanfare, just a breeze or two and some chillier temperatures. Then we're dry Thursday, and then on Friday, our focus goes to the west. There's the active weather into the Ohio Valley and Central Plains states and the Great Lakes. Our clouds fill in on Friday, and the severe weather will stay to our west. So some showers into Friday night, and during the first half of Saturday. And then once the rain moves away, expect gusty winds around here. So we're not expecting severe weather with thunderstorms, but some gusty winds are likely, perhaps in excess of 40 miles per hour later in the day on Saturday. So something to watch then. For today, though, mostly sunny with highs in the upper 50s and low 60s. Some patchy frost overnight, especially away from downtown. Lows in the 30s area wide. And your Thursday outlook, mainly sunny, a nice late March day with highs in the upper 50s and low 60s. 7-day forecast. 40 tomorrow night, maybe some patchy frost. Friday, high near 70 with increasing clouds. And there's the rain for the first part of Saturday. Under a ½ inch of rain is projected, followed by a cooler day on, it looks like on Sunday with highs back in the 60s. Jared?